Is this the most beautiful light festival in Melbourne? Come, let's check it out together. This winter, Melbourne's iconic Royal Botanic Gardens has transformed into the most magical after dark light trail. And honestly, it feels like stepping into another world. We visited Lightscape Melbourne at the Royal Botanic Gardens, and this is easily one of the most beautiful winter experiences in Melbourne. It's perfect for families, date nights, friends, or anyone who just loves a good magical night out. Lightscape is currently on until the 2nd of August, and it's open Wednesday to Sunday, plus every day during the winter school holidays. We arrived in the evening, and from the moment you walk in, the vibe is so dreamy. Think glowing pathways, huge light installations, music, colors, reflections, and those wow moments where just kids stop and stare. The trail is around 2.2 kilometers long and it's a one-way walking trail, so you just follow the path through the gardens. It took us around 90 minutes to enjoy the full experience, especially with kids running around, having fun, taking photos, and stopping for snacks along the way. You will want to stop a lot because every section feels different. Some parts are colorful, playful, some are calm and beautiful, some are just so big and dramatic that you just want to stand there and take it all in. For families, I'd say this is a lovely winter night activity. It's outdoors, it's easy to walk through, and there's something exciting around every corner to keep the kids entertained. But definitely, I would say dress warm because it's outdoors and it's Melbourne winter. Always check the weather before you go because if it rains, Lightscape still goes ahead. If you're going as a family, I'd recommend booking early, especially for weekends and school holidays, because the good time slots can go quickly. The entrance is through Observatory Gate near the Visitor Centre on Birdwood Avenue, which is opposite the Shrine of Remembrance. For getting there, I would say take the public transport. The closest train station is Anzac Station, and there are also nearby tram stops on St Kilda Road. Parking around the gardens is limited, so if you're driving, allow extra time and consider rideshare. There's also food and drinks available at the Welcome Hub and along the trail, including winter treats, so it's nice to make it a proper evening out. We grabbed Glow Fairy Floss for kids, which came to around $22 for two. One thing I really like is it doesn't feel rushed. You can walk at your own pace, stop for photos, let the kids enjoy installations, and just take it all in. A few tips before you go: download your tickets before arriving, turn your phone brightness up for scanning, arrive about 5 minutes before your session time, and make sure everyone has their tickets ready. Overall, Lightscape is one of those Melbourne winter experiences that feels really special. It's colourful, magical, family friendly, and it's such a beautiful way to see the Royal Botanic Gardens in a completely different light. Also, there's no scooter, bikes, skateboards, or balance bikes allowed on the trail because it's a walking trail only. If you're looking for something fun to do in Melbourne this winter, I would highly recommend adding Lightscape to your list. It's such a great idea for the school holidays. Save this for your Melbourne winter plans. Let me know if you've been to Lightscape before. This was our first time and we absolutely loved it. Definitely recommend adding this to your winter bucket list. Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming Melbourne family adventures with Moments with Kush.